In the very beginning, it says when you're worried, this is gonna go. When you're worried, so down, up, little bounce. Down to the right, down to the left, and you can't see past the storm. So 2 jumps, 2 hops, and then a jump second. Can't see past the storms. Hand behind your back and one hand at your head, and you're gonna look to the right. It can see you, so you're going left, right. It can see you, then you do a quick walk, left, right, left, together. Then we go to when you're lost and feel your never get home. So this is your feet are together, you turn right, so opposite hand with your foot that's forward. So right foot's forward, left arm's up, switch, switch, then you step forward, step back together, and all you're doing is reaching and pushing it down. And on that part, you could actually do opposites. So because everyone comes together, you could go 1, maybe you have 6 dancers, you could do 3 going to the left, right, left, then they go right, left together. You could have the other 3 going right, left together. So once everyone comes back together, then you'll do the back hand and the back foot, right foot, will go right, left, right, and everyone can come together at that point. So if you're going from this side and you just did left, right together, you go reach, and everyone turns to the front. And that finishes out the section that says it can lead you, dun, 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 dun. And then it says, you don't gotta worry about it because His grace is already there. So that's the fastest part of the whole thing, but I think they can get it because everything else is very soft and simple. But it will say, you'll go stepping out, right arm, left arm, throw it down. Then you pick up your right knee, brush it off, left knee, brush it off. Then that foot stays out, you reach, cross, give it a hug, throw it down. So reach and down. You don't gotta worry about it because His grace is already there. And then I guess you can just go into your chorus.